Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Sense 360 Investor. In this video, let's take a look at the Nasdaq in terms of the market action. We'll take a look at multiple time frames. We'll take a look at the follow-through day call from IBD, and let's see what may be in store for the coming week's action based on the charts. So here we have a 2-minute time frame which spans about 10 days. And in fact, so this line you can see, if we go out to the daily chart here, marks the support zone, and we came down right down to it, touched it, and then we kind of bounced off it. So watching that on a shorter time frame through this period gave a clue as to we kind of undercut it slightly, and then we came back and retested it again 1, 2, 3, 4 more times, and never really looked below it again, and then we gap up. So that told us that the market was, or that zone was going to hold, and then from here we get a swing high, which we can track over to about just before November 1st, so October 31st, and then we get this little gap up, which you might be able to see right in here. So that was an indication that now we definitely were moving up, and so on that gap up alone, that could have triggered a change in sentiment, and from there we have moved up 1.61%, or 594 points, which is a lot in a few days. Now, at the end of November 1st is when IBD called their big picture outlook into market and confirmed uptrend. As you can see by tracking the market action, you could actually have gotten in before that call took place, because the market was telling us that strength was coming in on that day. So if we look at the daily chart, we can see comes down to multiple areas of support down here, and we establish the lows on this day. So that was the low of the pullback on Thursday, October 26th, and then next day we moved up, and so that becomes day one of our rally. So day 4 is here, which is the the Wednesday night. That's when the uptrend call was made, and from that point, gapped up, closed up, gapped up, closed up. But and here's the interesting part: we find ourselves sitting at near multiple zones of resistance right here. So we have resistance zones galore. So it's a question of what this market does. So there's a couple of things. It could try and take these resistances out, or it could spend some time testing the resistances. And another scenario is we could get a little pullback, could be 2 or 3 days. And what we want to see is an orderly pullback, and then maybe it takes another attempt at cutting through these resistance zones. But if we're to get a market rally into the year end, that's what we're watching for, is to get above these resistance zones, so we got some momentum behind us. And if this downtrend in the intermediate term is going to persist, then obviously this market would fail at this resistance zone area, just like we failed here, just like we failed here, and just like we failed here. And then we would be looking to see, okay, can this low hold? If it doesn't, then let's look at further below, or we start to form a trading market which is range bound. So those are all the different possibilities. Which one, nobody knows. On time will tell. But knowing what could happen helps us to make decisions accordingly, so we can set a game plan. If this happens, then I will do this, and if this happens, then I will do that, and so forth and so forth. And that's what forms the basis of having a rules-based system. Hope you find this useful, and hopefully it will help you navigate the week ahead. and give you some kind of a North Star compass. I will see you in the next video. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Goodbye for now.